So interviewing somebody on the mural, how does it feel to just find out that you are officially on the mural?
It's crazy. Murals are like, it's like permanent. Like it's like completely permanent because someone could be on it, but it's like to be it's wild. It's wild. I almost feel like I don't know which part of me to tap into to speak to it because it's like it's crazy that I've been singing all my life, but I never called myself. I stopped calling myself a singer. There was a point in time where I'm like, yes, singing is what I want to do when I was like really, really young. And then somewhere in the middle of that, I started feeling like singing's not what's important. Like I have to find something else to bring me joy and also sustain me and make me and I didn't realize how empty I'd been.
My name